Have you been tracking your small business number and feel it's time to increase your prices, but you're afraid you're going to lose your customer? If this is for you, please subscribe on the channel for more of our videos, and on the comment below, please feel free to ask any cake related questions and I'm going to answer them for you to the best of my knowledge. Let's dig into the video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Baking for Business. I'm Jojo Lydiah, director and cake artist at Little Hands Bakehouse. And on this channel, we talk about cake business entrepreneurship. We share tips and hacks. We share story time, and we answer to the many questions that we receive them in our DMs. And on our topic today, we are going to talk about 5 do's and don'ts that will help you to increase your prices, and on the other hand, just retain your clients. Many bakers, as we are starting, we just start as hobby bakers. But as we progress, the business somehow tries to outweigh us when it comes to the workload that we have. So, as you move towards your next step in your baking journey, when you started doing the cakes, somehow, how did you come to the pricing of the cakes that you're selling? This is a big mistake that many bakers do. And you start selling your cakes. Where did you get your price? Many didn't even go to the cake for the cake costing classes. So when I have students here, mostly my main concern and my main question, have you done cake costing? Because why would you focus on classes for the cakes? You pay so much for the classes, but after getting the skills, you don't even know how to sell your cakes. This is the trap that many bakers get themselves into. You start selling your cakes, but after some time, you just have nothing to show for. There's no profit for you. You don't even have money for yourself. So it reaches a point that you feel like you need to increase the price. Now, into your head, you're so scared of losing those clients because we want to increase the prices. Here we're going to discuss the 5 do's and don'ts of how to increase your prices, whereas you still retain your clients. Do number 1, do study your competition. Yes, there's no business that does not have a competition. So all the clients that we have, even if this is your loyal client, you're not the only baker that this client knows. They know baker A, B, and C. So most of our clients also, some of them do a lot of scouting. They come ask for price here, they go there, they go there. So once you've noticed that the competition has been increasing the price for their cakes, and this will also translate to the clients. When our client notices that the prices have been reduced through the scouting of their prices from other bakers, and they come to hear from you that the prices have also been revised, they'll be very receptive to increase of the price. What if you're the only one who has increased the price and your competition has not? So in this case, you have to add value to the clients. Why have you increased your price? And this is always what I discuss with my clients, my students. Anytime I receive a student here, you've come, you've paid so much, you've invested in your training. It means you've gone with extra knowledge. So when you go back to your bakeries, see how you're going to perfect your work when it comes to practice from what you've been taught. And in this sense, have in line how you're going to revise your prices. You're revising your prices because your values have also increased. So whatever you used to give your clients before is not what they're going to get now. So just know what your competition is doing. If they have increased, the clients will be receptive. If they've not, see what other value are you increasing to the clients. And no client will not want to have more value to their product, even if they are going a mile ahead when it comes to paying the extra coin. Number 2, don't be sneaky in your prices. Just don't talk to the client. Last week, the client made an order. The cake was 4,001 kilo. Today, in a week's time, it's 4,500. So don't just increase the price. intimate the client. Let them feel part of you when you're increasing the price. Just don't sneak the price like the prices just went up, everything went up. These are human beings as much as you're also human being. So if you intimate them into your process, they become part of you and they want to grow with you, and they'll continue being the brand ambassador to your bakehouse and the bakeries. So don't sneak the price. Let them know that you have intentions. Let them give them like some time, just like we can be enjoying this at this period, then it's going to be revised. Don't sneak the price. Another do explain to them the reasons. Don't go into details of the profit margin. Who cares about your profit? Just give them the reasons why your prices have gone. And on top there, we've talked about maybe you're increasing your price because also the supplies have gone up. So there's no way you're going to cushion them when your margins are just cut and cut. If the prices have gone up in the market, also they have a reason to also go up with the prices when it comes to their product, which is the cake. Another reason why you can explain to them, this is an expertise that you've gotten extra. And with this extra expertise, it means you're going to get more value. Explain to them. Don't go into details like a profit margin. Nobody cares about your profit. I'm only cared about what you're going to give to me as a profit, the product. And if this product comes with extra, when it comes with value, I wouldn't have a problem when it comes to increase of the price. So that is the do. Number 3, explain the reasons, but don't go deep into the details. Do another number 4, don't apologize. Don't feel so sorry. Don't be nervous. Don't doubt yourself when you're communicating the price increase across your clients. When they feel you're shaky with the prices that you're giving them, they will also have a room to negotiate. They will feel there's a room to negotiate for those prices. So be firm on your prices. You've already given them the prices up there. You've already given them time and notice that you're going to increase the price. And more so, you've already added them value. So don't apologize because you have the strength as to why you want to put your prices up. And the core thing about this is just to increase the value to them. In any case, these are cakes that they're the ones who are going to eat. They're the ones who are going to enjoy. These are the values that you're giving them. These are the memories you're baking to them. In any case, they have more benefit of getting more value. So there should not be any problem increasing the price to them. And on number 5, we're talking about, do expect to lose some clients, but also expect to gain some. When you have clients who are price focused, they won't stay with you because for them, their drive to buy the cake is because of the price. And this price is always low. So if your clientele is more of the price focused and you increase your price, definitely you're going to lose them. And they're going to go to the next baker who sells them at a cheap price. So what you do, you're going to lose those clients as it is. This is, it's something that we've noticed so much in the bakehouse also. When the prices went up, we lost some. But losing is also, it's not bad because the ones that you're gaining the clientele that are accommodated in the price that you've already taken it up. So it means these are your ideal clients, the ones that are coming in. So be prepared to lose some, but you're going to get new. And the new ones that you're going to get, those are your ideal. Who doesn't want to have clients who pay for premiums for their products? So be prepared, you're going to lose some and you're going to gain some. And on the recaps of the do's and don'ts, do study your competition, but don't focus so much on them. Don't be sneaky on the prices. Let them know that you're intending to increase the price. Do explain your reasons as to why you want to increase your price. Don't apologize because already you know the value that you are going to give them more. And on the last one, expect to lose some clients, but you're going to gain more and best and ideal client for your business to go on. If you learned anything about this topic, please feel free to give us a thumbs up. On the comment below, please write to us what is it that you've learned here. Please feel free to ask any of your cake-related questions, and I'll be glad to answer them for you to the best of my knowledge. See you in the next video. Bye.